Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits here in Houston, Texas. See our information right there. www.gatorpit.net, phone number 713-896-0144. Get on my website, you'll get other contact information to include a toll-free number as well. But I want to go over this Bandit Mobile. This Bandit Mobile is listed on our website at gatorpit.net. This is a 1/4 inch thick steel horizontal chamber, 20 inches in diameter, 40 inches long, along with a 20 by 20 quarter wall by 3 feet tall or 36 inches tall on the vertical box. There's 2 sliding meat racks in there and 4 sliding meat racks in there. So you've got a total of 6 sliding meat racks, angle framed out, that slide in and out, and they are all removable. We've got a nice huge 304 brushed 14-inch deep stainless steel shelf that is the length of the cooker, as you can tell. So you're about 60 inches on length up there, about 57 to be exact. And we got some nice aluminum plate Jeep style fenders, aluminum diamond plate, and we got some nice custom alloy silver and black wheels, chrome caps, chrome lugs. We've got a 2-inch ball valve drain that you see there. We've got a 1/4 inch thick 2 by 2 square tube trailer frame that we built in-house with a solid plate deck, and obviously we have it painted custom bright red. It's really bright. We have a 20 by 20 square 1/2 inch thick firebox with dual dowel style air intake vents there. Of course, stainless steel handles and your Gator Pit gauges on your food chambers or smoke chambers. We added a 2-inch bulldog coupler up front with a screw jack and top line screw jack and a removable jack wheel. And of course, you got your safety chains with the rear hangers that are there. We got them there because we painted it and we haven't hooked them up there yet, but that's where they actually store. And then you got your standard wiring harness to hook up to your tow vehicle. And in the back, we have obviously your trailer lights. And you can get a better view of the firebox there. Again, 1/2 inch thick steel, better view of the diamond plate fenders. And we have a rear side passenger storage that measures about 30 inches wide. And we go the length of the pit, which is again 60 inches. And then we come up about probably 16, 18 inches in height. And now you can get a better view of the trailer. 1/8 inch plate deck. We have a front access door. There is a removable grate in there in case this guy wanted to grill in here. He wanted that option to be able to grill in case he needed a big grill. And of course, everything locks. We've got the pin locks to put in there. We have our birdhouse stack, our signature stack that Gator Pit's known for. We have our Gator Pit badging, logos, Gator Pit gauges. We put the signature badging on this one. Inside, tuning plates for more even temperature cooking across the main chamber, and to get the temperatures in the upright well over 200 degrees so you can smoke over there as well and not it just be a warmer. We're sliding meat racks. Very nice. Get a better shot of that stainless, that brushed stainless. As you see there, it's got some Gator etching. Very nice. And inside the vertical, you've got your 4 sliding meat racks, and the doors are all fully flanged, so there's no heat loss, smoke loss on the doors, which Gator Pit's well known for if you've done any research on Gator Pit. This is a beautiful, gorgeous pit. Customer's going to be extremely happy when he picks it up. It's thick, 1/4 inch thick steel on the 2 chambers again, and a 1/2 inch on that firebox. This thing's going to be extremely fuel efficient when he fires it up. And it's easy enough, small enough that you can hook it up to any tow vehicle. You can move it around in the parking lot right here. We rolled it out of the shop by hand and parked it right here for the video. The customer's gonna be here in 30 minutes to pick it up. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Give me a call. What can Gator Pit do for you? Thank you.